Integrated hip hinge. Starting in an upright position, one foot slides back as you tip from your hip and the opposite arm reaches. Make sure your thumb is pointing towards the ceiling and your shin stays vertical with the floor. It's easy to let the shin and the knee shift forward. The more you keep your shin vertical, the more you're going to work your glutes, and the more it's more of a core exercise. Make sure that your shoulders and your hips stay square the whole time, and that your spine stays in neutral. Feel this in your butt on both sides, but a little bit differently.